today was really about being brave and focusing on problem solving.
Some of these tools are familiar, but I think the way that they've been put together is really interesting and not too heavy on the theory, a lot of practical examples.
We are split amongst people we don't know, and I think that in itself really works well because you're all thrown out of your comfort zone straight away.
I think a key part of it all was being collaborative, working in partnership with others and having an open mind to ideas and different ways of working and being creative.
What it's probably going to help with is if we've got a restricted set of tools, we can look at alternate ways of using them.
One thing I really liked about it was that it was very relatable. You could relate it back to your own workplace and your own experiences.
It's applicable to all of us and we can do it on a daily basis.
And when people think innovation, often they're thinking widgets and gadgets and gizmos. So just that reminder, I guess, that innovation can be really simple, obvious things. It doesn't have to be fancy, shiny technology.
It's not like you need a sort of type of skill or way of thinking to be able to solve any type of challenge.
And these things are always good to come along to because it's an outside perspective. It gives you a little bit of a kick to get back into it and start thinking about things a different way when you start getting into a standard pattern of behaviour.
The New Venture team today were fantastic, really dynamic, really simple way of presenting things that meant that you could get on board quickly and want to get engaged in the conversation.
It was really energetic. I think there's bigger and brighter things happening in the future and it would be great to be part of that.